Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to adjust the screen timeout period on this device. Simply go to settings. Now tap on the option display and brightness. Now here you can see the option auto lock. Tap on this one. So from 30 seconds to never we can set the screen timeout period. If you set the screen timeout for 30 seconds, after the inactivity of 30 seconds, the device will automatically turn off. Okay, now I selected 30 seconds. Now just wait for 30 seconds. You can see the device will automatically turn off. Now just wait for few seconds. Yeah. Now you can see the device will automatically turn off after 30 seconds. So according to your choice, you can select 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute, 5 minute, up to never. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.